Example 2. You stand at the edge of a cliff 24 feet above the ocean. You throw a projectile vertically up at 20 feet per second. The equation giving the height of the projectile t seconds after the projectile is released is h of t, which is equal to negative 16t squared plus 20t plus 24. How many seconds after release will the projectile hit the water? Okay, you are 40 feet, you're 24 feet above the ocean. You throw a stone up, it hits the time, it hits the ocean. When? The projectile reaches the ocean when h of t is 0. You solve this equation. You have the 24 here. You factor out a negative 4. You can divide by negative 4. You want to factor that trinomial. The sum is 4 times negative 6, negative 24. I mean the product. The sum is negative 5. The sum is negative, so the large number is negative. The other number must be positive for the product to be negative. Very quickly, you find your 3, your negative 8. That's how you split up the middle term, which was negative 5. Factor out t from the first two. Factor out negative 2 from the last two terms. You can factor out the greatest common factor, which is now 4t plus 3. And you get 4t plus 3 times t minus 2. Solutions, t is 2 or t is a negative number. Which you reject? A negative number doesn't make sense. You released the stone right now. What happened 3 seconds before you released it? Who cares? Okay, so the answer is 2 seconds. It will hit the water, the stone will hit the water 2 seconds after it is released.